Huh. Here we go. Here we are. Yeah. Shooting take one, or test take, or whatever it is. Any old idiot. Testing camera and positioning. Probably going to need to loosen this up a little. But we're looking good right about now, huh? Let's see. Hopefully it's not moving everything around, but it doesn't matter. It's just a test. It's just a test. So here we are, live on the set. This is the infamous workbench. It's a little dirty right now. We've got a couple of toothbrushes, shavers, little nostril cleaners and shit sitting out here. But all we do is like clean up a little bit here. I probably should have did this before, you know, before showing my world to you. But you'll still crash into me. Got some paintings here, right? One directly behind me. That is a snot rocket, is what that is. I painted that, of course, obviously. You know, I painted that. We got a couple things going on here. We got some stuff that's out and about. You know, we got some stuff and things. We got a full trash can here. You know, we got a towel that never gets hung up. We got a Bob Ross painting that I did, pretending to be Bob Ross. You know, like everybody else does. And that was all from memory too. So I did that one. Looks pretty good, right? It's professional. You can see there's a couple of mistakes there, but not many, right? That's about it. That's dirty mirror, dirty workbench, you know, shit happens. Moving right along, we'll get everything cleaned up here. We'll just White Claw in the bathroom, what is this thing called? Garbage can? I don't know. I don't know what anything is. Alright, so we emptied that. We've got a clean, little juicy extra there at the bottom of the bag. Yeah, that's it. Basically, this is how it goes. Oh, gotta close the toilet for all the viewers, because you don't want to know that I have a toilet with water in it. And that's it. That's it on that. Here we go right out here. We got some, you know, we got to clean up some shit around here. So that's it. This has just been a test video. I like to test out my equipment. So make sure it works. I want to get a good test segment. So I know what to expect. All right, signing off. Any old idiot. Colin Hilbert, 2021.